Hey guys, this is me Rahini. Science has always been my favorite subject, and that's why on my 9th birthday, my grandfather got me the Einstein box science experiment kit. I'm so excited to show you. So let's get started. On opening the package, you will see that this box includes everything that's required to conduct experiments, from instruction manuals to equipment and chemicals. It has it all. Designed for kids between the age group 7 and 14, this kit has many exciting experiments. These experiments are mainly divided into categories like explosive science, color and crystal science, soap science, and polymer science. All of these experiments are super easy to conduct, are very interesting, teach me a lot, and keep me occupied for hours. My parents also love this kit because all the experiments here are super safe and don't create a lot of mess either. It's also great to use these when friends come over. Summing up, I'm so glad that I got this Einstein box science experiment kit as a gift. There are also different variations available, so you can pick the one you want.